If you just opened the Discord app and you found yourself stuck in this gray screen, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now, the first step now to fix this problem for Discord is stuck on the gray screen. Try to refresh the Discord app by hitting Ctrl plus R. So just go to the screen where you are facing the gray screen, then hit Ctrl plus R. This will try to refresh the Discord app and the issue can be resolved. If you're still stuck here on the gray screen after hitting Ctrl plus R, then let's go to another step, which is try ending any open Discord task via Task Manager and starting the app again. So just go to Task Manager. So just search it here on your start menu. Search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager app. Now just wait a little bit. Now expand it here. Now go to the section where there's a Discord task which is opened. As you can see here on the apps, there are a process for Discord here. Now click on this arrow here. You'll see the 4 Discord processes has been opened. So just make sure to end it one by one. After end it one by one, to make sure all the 4 Discord which has been opened here, make sure to end it them all. They will be shown here on the arrow. If you click it like this, just make sure to end it all one by one. And after ending it all, then try to relax the Discord app by running it as an administrator and try to check if the issue has been resolved. Now, if you have done so but you're still stuck on the gray screen, now let's go to another step, which is press Window plus R key and type %appdata% and delete the Discord folder. This will clear the Discord app cache. Now relaunch the Discord app. So just copy this, which is %appdata% and copy it. Now press Window and R key. Will open the Run app. Now paste it here. You can see it, which is %appdata%. Now after pasting this, click OK. Now go to the Discord folder, which is here. Now delete this folder. This will clear the app cache. So I'm not going to delete since I'm not facing this issue. As you can see, my Discord app is not showing a gray screen. But for your case, a lot of people are able to fix it by deleting this folder, which will clear the Discord app cache. So just delete it. And after deleting it, then try to relaunch the Discord app to see if the issue has been resolved. Now, if you're still stuck on the gray screen, now turn on disable full screen optimization and check the box. So to turn on disable full screen optimization and check the box, just go to the Discord app here, then right click on it and then go to properties and then go to compatibility and make sure to check this, which is written disable full screen optimization. After checking this box, apply and click OK to save changes and try to relaunch the Discord app again to see if the issue has been resolved. Now, if it hasn't been resolved, just make sure to uncheck it. You can uncheck it again by going to Discord, run it as an administrator. Right click on it and then go to properties, go to compatibility and uncheck it, which you've disabled full screen optimization. Just uncheck it, apply changes and click OK. And then let's go to another step, which is try dragging the edge of the window a bit to increase or decrease size. So some people were able to fix this gray screen problem by just trying to resize it. So you can try to resize this box. If you're stuck on the gray screen, just try to resize it like this. Try to resize it multiple times to see if the issue has been resolved. Now, if it hasn't been resolved, let's go to another step, which is written here. Now, flush your DNS cache by running command ipconfig /flushdns. So just copy this, which is written ipconfig /flushdns. Go to your start menu and write cmd or command and then open the cmd, which is command prompt. After opening it, paste this command which has been written here, which is ipconfig /flushdns, which has been written here, ipconfig /flushdns. So you need to write it here on the command and click enter. OK. So just write ipconfig /flushdns. This will try to flush your DNS cache and to try to resolve any network connection problems for your Discord. Now, if all fails, then let's go to the last step, which is uninstall and reinstall the Discord. Now, you can easily uninstall and reinstall it from the from the control panel there, but I'm going to show you the effective way to uninstall the Discord app. So just hit Window and R key and type app data. So type app data as you type it before and delete the folder. After deleting the folder, let's go to another step, which is type Window and R. So type Window and R and type this, which is %temp%. So again, you're going to type here, which is temp. So this will open the temporary folder for your computer. So type %temp% and click OK. Now delete all the folders here on this section. So make sure to delete all the folders. You can highlight them and delete all of them. These are temporary folders, so they are no longer useful and may sometimes cause corruption on your Discord app. So just make sure to delete all these folders. Then let's go to the step, which is type %local app data %. So just copy it here, press Window and arrow key and type and paste it here, which is %local app data %, and click OK. So this will open the folder where Discord has been installed. Now delete this folder here. After deleting this folder, then just make sure all of the files has been removed. So this will effectively remove all the Discord files. And after that, go to the website for Discord. Then just search it on Google and type Discord and click on the first link. Click here, download, which has been written in Google here. And you'll be able to download the latest version of Discord for your Windows. So make sure to uninstall and reinstall it by downloading it from the official website, and the issue can be resolved. So this is the best guide on how to fix the Discord stuck on the gray screen. And a lot of people are able to resolve this by following the instructions which I have shown it to you. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.